New Brunswick's forest sector is at a crossroads. As experienced workers retire, technologies evolve, and operational demands increase. Many employers are struggling to find workers with the practical skills needed in today's field operations. The result? Higher onboarding costs, inconsistent field practices, and growing pressure across the sector. The sector risks further productivity declines, higher onboarding costs, a shrinking talent pipeline, and higher entry barriers for the next generation if it doesn't take action. To address this, NHRI set out to build something different. Not just a training platform, but a coordinated, employer-driven system adapted for real workplace situations. The Forestry Workforce Development System is a user-driven, field-based innovation platform. Supporting sustainable forest management, digital transformation, and workforce development, it unites stakeholders while collaboratively developing, testing, and implementing innovative solutions. Created by foresters, for foresters. Here's how it works. Knowledge from real forestry research is built into practical training and applied directly in the field. Whether you're upskilling a team, starting a new career, or learning on your own time, this system adapts to you. Training can be scaled from short video primers to full blended programs with hands-on field delivery. This isn't just a course, it's part of a broader shift, connecting training directly to how forests are managed and how the workforce evolves. This approach builds job-ready professionals, improves decision-making in the field, and strengthens the long-term future of the sector. This is part of NHRI's Living Lab in Open Innovation, where new practices are co-designed, tested, and implemented in real-world settings. The Forestry Workforce Development System closes the gap between training and the field. Start building knowledge that grows with the forest.